Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome today. Yes, today in the daily newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, July the 29th, 2021. Here in this additional with extra Sudokus or puzzles, we have here Sudoku with a 1 star. Then we have a 2 star Sudoku, 3 star Sudoku, and a 4 star Sudoku. Then a binary puzzle, number one, a binary puzzle, number two, and a tectonic with 1 star. So total of 7 extra Sudokus. And I've mentioned earlier before that I won't do them all because it's too much for me, and it takes the same time to upload them to YouTube. So I only do today 4 Sudokus: the 3 stars, the 4 stars, the 1 star tectonic, and a binary. All right. So the first Sudoku I will solve is a Sudoku with 3 stars, and this will be a number 3167. All right. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one I have already counted. This one has 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. All right. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. The puzzle. All right. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and a 2. We see here 9 and a 2 in this row. So no 9 and a 2 in these 2 boxes. The 9 and a 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 9 and a 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 9 goes there. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1 and 3. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. All right. How about 1 and a 7 in this column? 1 and a 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 and a 7 are these 2 boxes in the last column. We see here the 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row. For the numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, let me mark those 2 boxes. These 2 numbers in the row above. No. 3 missing numbers in the row above. Those numbers are the 1, 2, the 3 is missing. Well, we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this big square. So no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing, and the 6, 7, and the 8. 5 and the 8. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. Here we have 1 and a 3. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 4 and the 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So we have a 9 in the last column. 9 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 9 is for this box. Okay. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 9. Well. How about Let me see. 4, 4, 8. Interesting. 1, 1. 1, 1. 8, 8. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. There are 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then then I cannot continue with the 3. How about these 4 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see there no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. So we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box cannot be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 4. All right. So we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing, 5 and the 6. 4 and the 6 are missing. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 6 goes there. All right. Then, let me see. 6, 8, and 2. All right. We have an 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Okay. 8. Then 6. Interesting. Let me see. Come on. It's taking too long. 7. Ay. Well. 9. Also 9. I need a pair. 2 numbers left in this third column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 7 goes there. All right. 7. Yeah. 6. Uh-huh. 6. We have a pair. I believe we have a pair here. Yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 9. We have a 6 and a 9 in the middle row. So no 6 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. We have a 6 and a 9 in the second column. So no 6 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. The 6 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 9. All right. So now we have 2 missing numbers. The 2 and the 5. The 2 and the 5 are missing. 2 and the 5 cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 2, 5, and 4. 4, 4. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Ah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in one of those two boxes in the middle row. So in the row above, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. All right. 6, 9. 3 missing numbers in this row. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. So I've eliminated the 6, so the 6 goes there. Alright, 6 and the 9. These two boxes are the 2 and the 6. We have a 6 here in this big square, so no 6 in this box. The 6 goes in that box, so 1 digit left in this row for the number 2. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 2. Alright, 1 box left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Alright, 5, 5, okay. 5. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5. No 5 in those two boxes. The 5 could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in one of those two boxes in the second column. So this box cannot be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. Alright, 1 number left in this first column for the number 2. 1, 2, yes, 2 is missing. Okay. 5, 1, 7. Yes. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. 2 and 4. Alright. How about okay, 6, 6, 6, 8, 9. Well, 2, 3, and 4. 2, 3, and 4. 2, 3, and 4. Yeah. We have 8, 8. We need a pair. Yeah. We have a 9 and an 8 in this column. We have a 9 and an 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the 9 and 8 goes in those two boxes. As a pair, 9 and an 8. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 there. So this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 4. Alright. 1 number left in this first row. Middle row. For the number 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 3. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 4 and 7. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And 7 goes there. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 7, 5, 1, 7. 6, 7. 3, 3. Let me think. 3, 8, 9. 1, 1. 4. 4, 4. 4, 4. Let me put some numbers. It's taking too long. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column be 3 in the middle column. The only 3 place for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 could be here, could be there. Same for the 5. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 place for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 could be here, could be there. All right. Then, one number left in this middle column for the number 1. All right, 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is missing. All right. So we have a 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. All right. We have 2 numbers left. Oh, wait. Now we have a 7 there. So this box cannot be a 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 6. Alright. 1 number left in this column for the number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 3 should be there. And now we have a 5 here. So this box cannot be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 2. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for number 2 and 4. 2 and 4. We see here a 4. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Wow. For 3 Stars Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes. That's my time limit. Well, I've solved this in 17 minutes. So I'm very, very pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a few seconds with the second Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku it will be. See you then. Bye-bye for now.